Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a tutorial on this look right here, this fall orangey look. I don't know what to call it, but first off I'm taking Makeup Geek Peach Smoothie and I'm starting that off as my transition shade, and next I'm going into the Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette and I'm taking the shade Creamsicle and then building that transition up and start the orange shade, bring that out more. And next I'm going in the shade Pukey and taking that as well and slowly building up color before we get into the star of the show. This is the Morphe 9C Jewel Crew palette and this is the shade Stone Fox, and now is really when I start to pack on color, and I'm also going to put that on my lid as well, the same color, and try to build it up and kind of give it that one shadow kind of look, but with a little bit, I guess, more smoky. I don't know how to describe it. But next I'm just buffing that out, and then I'm taking my L'Oreal Lash Paradise mascara and coating my top lashes. Next I'm going in with my Dr. Brandt Pores No More primer. I love this stuff. I did a review on it and I'll link that down below if you're interested. But I'm putting that on my face, and then I'm taking my L'Oreal True Match foundation and pouring that on my little mixing plate. Kind of got a lot of it. But I'm dotting that on my head and my face, not my head. And I'm buffing that out with my Morphe brush. I can't talk, wow. Next I'm going with my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer and applying that as well and blending that out with my Morphe sponge. Next I'm taking my Maybelline Fit Me powder and it's in the shade Translucent, and I'm just setting my under eyes. Next I'm going with my Bare Minerals foundation powder and setting the rest of my face with that. Next up, I'm going to bronze my face with my Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer, and I'm just taking that on a big fluffy brush. And then to contour, I'm taking the Wet n Wild contour palette, and I'm taking the Dulce de Leche one, and I'm taking the bronzing color. And then for blush, I use the Burt's Bees one in Toasted Cinnamon. I'd forgotten to show it, so I did it at the end. Then I'm going back into the Stone Fox shade from the Morphe 9C palette, and I'm lining my lower lash line with that, and then I'm going on a definer brush, and then I'm going to take a fluffier brush and kind of blend that out and smoke it out on the lower lash line. Next, I'm taking my Benefit They're Real mascara and I'm using that to coat my bottom lashes because I like how the end of it is, I think it's perfect for lower lash line. Then I'm going back into the Jaclyn Hill and Morphe palette and I'm taking the shade Beam and I'm applying that to my inner corner and my brow bone. Next, I'm setting my face with my Urban Decay All Nighter spray, and I'm just taking my sponge and kind of patting that in. For lipstick, I'm using the L'Oreal Color Riche Balm and the shade Nude something. I'll have it down below. Well, anyways, that completes this video. That was me telling you to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.